Time for more kolaches, and we're here at Donut Palace. As you can see, they have a wide variety of donuts and pastries, and they all look tasty. Let's try some. Okay, so we're going to try these out from Donut Palace. This is their kolache. It's the sausage, cheese, and jalapeno. Let's take a look inside. I guess the hot dog center is just standard. So let's give it a try. The bread is thicker, a little crustier. I'm not getting any jalapeno flavor. I get a little of the cheese, but not fantastic. Now, they didn't have any boudin kolaches, but this is their specialty. This is a croissant kolache. Again, with sausage. Looks like the same sausage, cheese, and jalapeno. Let's try it out. Okay, I should have put this one in the microwave a little longer. I'm not going to knock it off for being cold, because that was my fault. I mean, the bread is nice for a croissant, but there's nothing special about it. I don't taste any jalapeno, and it's just not fantastic. Now, I must say that the people working inside were fantastic. They had a big crowd, but they greeted everybody. They were very friendly. So hospitality is a plus. The croissant still didn't blow me away. Just not much flavor. So this one gets, out of 10, this one gets a 9 on the hospitality. The croissants, maybe a 5. Not fantastic. I must say, on a side note, their twist is one of the best twists I have ever had in my life. This is fantastic. Just letting you know.